Once Jesus was challenged to identify the greatest commandment in the old law. He answered, "And you shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind, and with all your strength." How do we love God with all our mind? Through our intellect and reason. We must love beyond emotionalism. Seeking God only through emotions can lead to many fanatical paths. Every faith has fanatics, that is, those who love their ways with the deepest of emotions. But Christianity bases the pursuit of truth off more than emotions. The Apostle Peter encouraged Christians this way: "But sanctify the Lord God in your heart, and always be ready to give a defense, apologia, to everyone who asks you a reason for the hope that is in you, with meekness and fear." The word defense comes from the Greek term apologia. This doesn't mean we apologize for being a Christian. Apologia means a reasoned statement or verbal defense. It's actually a common New Testament concept. Christians love God with the mind by pursuing Him with intellect and reason. And this love is applied in apologia and can be fulfilled in offering reasoned statements and defenses to fellow believers, as well as to convert the lost. The Apostle Paul used apologia to prove his message as truth. Once, he preached to non-believers in Athens, Greece, who had no knowledge of the true God. He observed an altar devoted to an unknown God, and he used this connection to help build a framework about God. Paul gave reasonable conclusions without quoting Bible verses. He reasonably concluded that the Athenians were interested in truth, that God's divine attributes are knowable, that God is within reach, and that mankind needs God's salvation. This example shows us that we can love God with our mind by pursuing reasonable conclusions and sharing them with others. The greatest command according to Jesus? Love God with all your heart, soul, mind, and strength. An emotional connection is a natural part of loving God. But love also includes the pursuit of God intellectually and reasonably, a love of the mind.